Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 273. Start by opening your Roblox account settings. Go to the Security section. Look for the option that lets you log out of all other sessions. This will close your account on every device except the one you are using right now. Confirm the action and wait a few seconds. After that, log out of Roblox on your current device too. Then sign back in again. This refreshes your session and removes any old or stuck logins that might cause the error. If the error keeps showing, you need to clear your cache. If you use a browser, open its settings and clear the browsing data. Make sure you remove the cached files. If you use the Roblox app on Windows, also clear the Roblox cache by deleting the temporary files from the Roblox folder. Open the Run window by pressing Windows plus R search for %localapp and press Enter. In the folder that opens, look for a folder named Roblox and delete it. This will clear the Roblox cache. After doing all these steps, open Roblox again and try playing. In most cases, the error will be gone. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.